Hey friends, it's Paula Tisch, your favorite Huntsville realtor. Today we're out in New Market at the Meridia subdivision with Valor Homes. Let's go take a look.
If you're on the hunt for a dream home here in the Huntsville, Alabama metropolitan area, you are in luck. Today I'm showing you the fabulous Meridia community by Valor Homes. Talk about getting the best bang for your buck. Valor is where it's at. Welcome to Meridia, a community that's not just about homes, but about crafting your perfect lifestyle. Picture this, a range of 4, 5, and even 6 bedroom floor plans with up to a whopping 4,700 square feet. Can you believe it? These homes are more than just walls and ceilings. With 3-car garages and interior features that you will love. Get ready to say wow at every turn. I've seen a lot of homes, but let me tell you, Valor Communities knows how to do it right. Their efficiency of space and interior detail are the secret sauce behind every home they build. Now let's talk primary suites. These bad boys aren't just rooms, they're sanctuaries. Everything a primary suite should be. With up to 1,000 square feet, complete with separate sitting areas, fireplaces, and spa-like bathrooms, you'll feel like royalty in your own home. Do you need a home office or a spot to host your next epic game night? Valor Communities understands that flexibility is key in today's world, and they do deliver. Take, for instance, the Rosemary 3, which is their model home in the Meridia neighborhood. It's a real crowd pleaser. With 4,700 square feet spread across 3 stories, a chef's kitchen, dramatic dining room, and luxurious primary bedroom retreat, it's a showstopper in modern living. But wait, there's more. Outdoor living is a big deal here. Whether it's an integrated covered porch or a signature game day patio with wood-burning fireplace, these spaces are perfect for hanging out with friends and family or rooting for your favorite team. And the lot sizes are awesome. Let's not forget about location. Meridia in New Market, Alabama is perfectly situated near the Facebook data center, Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Tate Farms, local schools, and so much more. Plus, the easy access to Highway 431 means getting around town is a breeze. So what are you waiting for? Let's make your dream home a reality together.